Inventory, watch it, fame, not inevitable. Says she want me last name, all you wanna play so. No, this in a can't tame, all your confidence so. The chest are full enough, pain, no, you left it so. You're psychopathic, make it in a rhythm.
Everything like on a town. No, some man kill us, son, I bring the style around. You me paramount, tell them God around. Every day, girl a fun. Every chopper have a couple for them on a phone. Girl a sell the pussy, give me pop another phone. Me and my gun and God a roll. When me touch a road, we got money, we got guns. Artillery them, we got the books. Girl a sip liquor, say she want drugs. I grade weed that I put them in a juice.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. Ciao. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video. Now, look at this young lady. She named Kema Boss. And she flex her wealth out of Trinidad, dog. Yo, the girl look sexy. She have money. Yo, who's this young lady? Want somebody give me some information for her. Me not like Trinidad a straight rich badness, you know. Upon looking on this young lady, me do some research and look on the picture. Look on the picture there. This is how Kema did look in 2011, you know. So from 2011 to 2023, look how she look now. Yo, me not lie, she look good. It seems like she have a beauty parlor, cause I was on her Instagram page. I thought she was an artist when I seen her, but me not see her do no music. Me just see her appear modeling every time you see her. Look on the gold where she have on her neck. Look on all the money where she have. Every time you see her, that girl there, a straight money. Now, and everything with glitter, a gold. And like me say, me nah knock that young lady as a matter of fact. Yo, she look good. Wouldn't mind she give me countryman a call right now. Cause yo, you look good, baby. You understand? Me nah like. But yo, me just kinda do that video, yeah, because I want to know more about this young lady. And I'm curious as to how she make all that money. Because, like I say, you know, she's a hairdresser. I like she have a hairdressing beauty parlor. But the kind of money and the kind of wealth she a flash, she must do with a drugs man, dog. Or she must have run some program, some drugs program. I'm just guessing, I am insinuating, and I am not accusing her. But listen, that girl look like she rich, you understand? And like she have enough money, and she not stop muggle. And yo, more know more about her. If anybody know anything from her, link countryman, Kema Boss, link countryman, I want to do an interview with you. You understand? I want to talk to you. Trinidad is a very unique place. Trinidad, it goes from 0 to 100, and you find the best in a Trinidad, and you find the worst. The people them at Trinidad that make a whole heap of money, them have a stable economy, believe it or not. Trinidad more stable than enough of them Caribbean country. The biggest problem is the dirty corner boy them. We are kill off innocent people, and a them me not like. You understand? Me not care what nobody want to say. You kill off innocent people, too much bloodshed. And that me not like. But beyond that, yo, Trinidad is not a place to play with. Now, Kema boss, the countryman a link. I want to talk to you. And like me say, you flash your wealth and you flash your jewelry and stuff. So once in the public eye, people are gonna talk about you. Because that's what you want. You want attention. Well, you are. Countryman, I give you some attention, Kema boss. But now lie, you look good. You look well good. You understand? Just leave the rest for imagination, baby. That's all me I say. You understand? But you are. Keep up the good work. Cause you make your money, you do your thing. And keep on looking good. And may God bless you, baby. But like me say, give countryman a call. Or hit me up on WhatsApp. You understand? I want to talk to you. For real. I want to talk to you. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Peace, I'm out.